I'm Dwayne Bohr with Ivec Systems. Today we're going to talk about the GVMC and GVMST manual clean unit. This GVMC features not only weld smoke collection, which is a manual clean filter, but oil mist as well. We can collect oil mist and you can clean that as well. Ivec Systems is the top of the line in sustainability, minimizing the landfill of filters. Instead, we're cleaning them, and we're also saving energy with intelligent controls. The GVMC is regarded one of the highest quality efficient air filters on the market. It offers a MER 15 rating. The unit significantly improves filter life due to high amount of filter media and air to cloth ratio, and the intelligent controls. The GVMC is an expandable unit, has modules that can be attached, which doubles its investment. It has easy in-out filters. You can change the filters efficiently without tools. All of this combined makes for one of the best investments you can make for your company. It has long filter life, low energy cost, truly lowest cost of ownership. Ivec Intelligent Control Systems help you manage your systems automatically. It routinely adjusts power and fan speeds. With Ivec Command, the control will provide real-time data remotely to your computer or a mobile device. The discharge air can be controlled with four-way adjustable louvers. The GVMC can be custom engineered to collect mist, smoke, oil, and fumes. Because the units are overhead, this allows for additional floor space. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the one and only Ivec channel, and have a great day.